Ang laki na ng bibig ni ate. You have kids already? Wala? Baka naman sa ibang butas mo napapasok ko. White House daw.
White House!
White Court. And then that's your wife?
Filipina. I think she's Filipina.
Yeah. Ang ganda ni ate, nakakaluwag-luwag na. Yes. Ang laki na ng bibig ni ate. Yeah. How long? Hindi, charot lang. Hindi naman kita ino ka. Ang ganda-ganda mo eh. Oh. Kamukha mo kayong tito ko. Charot. Yeah, you look good together. How long you been together? 10 years. Oh, palakpakan naman natin. At least, you are so lucky because you are married a Filipina. Yes. Did you know what? Filipina is the best. Yes. Filipina is caring. Filipina is loving. You know? Filipina is very hospitable. You have kids already? Wala? Baka naman sa ibang butas mo napapasok ko. Sir, we are very much apologetic because we use our native language to entertain our Filipinos. If you don't understand what's going on, it's your problem. Okay? But you have to observe around. If you see these people laughing, you laugh. If you see them giving money, you give more. Because you are rich than us. Okay? If you see them running, oh my God, there's a fire. Okay? But yeah, tonight, so bakit ito wala ko na?
Stay lang, di ba?
Just enjoy the night, okay? Have you been to the Philippines? How many times? Twice. So how do you find the Philippines? Did you find it?
Taga saan sa Pilipinas?
Saan ka sa Pilipinas ate? Eh palang gagga ng loob mo sa amin sa atin. Dagupan?
Ay!
Ilocano.
Pangasinan.